Hey guys, it's Louise here. It's been raining all morning and I've just come out this afternoon and been faced with some liquid sunshine, which is what we needed as it's been super hot. So the rain's like cooled the weather down, which is just what we need. So now that I've got my tart set up, I'm going to start cooking and I'm going to be making some Bannock bread, Bannock cinnamon bread. I'm going to be cooking with my Esbit alcohol stove. So this is a really quick and easy to use setup. The alcohol is in here, there. So carefully place that in. So the alcohol is now placed in there, and if I need to simmer my food or put it out, I can just put this in like that with it half shut and close it if I want to put the fire fully out. So as you can see, it is really quick and easy. I made this mix up at home, the Bannock mix, and in it is a cup of flour, a teaspoon of baking powder and sugar and cinnamon. So that is the mix that I'm using today. You don't want to add too much water to the mix, otherwise it can go soggy. This now seems the right consistency to start making the bread. Elasticy dough. This is a turbo lighter and this is what I'm going to use to light my alcohol stove. It's pretty good. Look at that. So here goes. Beautiful. That's lit now. So I'm going to put it on about half and half. There we go. And then I can turn it up later if it's too low. So I'm feeling pretty hungry now, so can't wait for this to cook and be ready. But while that's cooking, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers so far and for your comments. They're all so lovely, so thank you so much. Much appreciated. I'd also like to talk about my channel name actually, Louise's Adventures. What do you guys think about my name? Because I'm not too sure. I'm actually thinking about changing it, but I'm not sure what to. My interests are obviously like outdoors, getting more into like bushcraft and nature, so I'm hoping to expand my channel on that and a few other outdoor activities as well. So I'm thinking of a new name. If you guys have any ideas on what you think would be good, just comment below, and yeah, that would really be helpful, and I'll take all suggestions on board. So thanks guys. However though, if you think Louise's Adventures is a good name and you think I should keep it, comment that. Or if you think, actually I think you should change it to something different, I think that'll work better, as I'm focusing on bushcraft and outdoor adventures, then just let me know. So before I started my YouTube channel, my dad suggested a name if I was going to have a YouTube channel, of what I should have. He spoke about this in a previous video. He said I should have Bush Babe, and a subscriber called Nathaniel said, oh, I thought you were going to have Bush Babe or something like that, so he quite liked that name. So what do you guys think about that name, or a different kind of bushcraft name or outdoor name, as most of my trips are going to be involving around camping, the outdoors and bushcraft and outdoor cooking. So put your suggestions down. Thanks guys. I'm going to turn it up even a bit more, so I'm just going to take this off and have full flame. Right, so I'm going to turn it over. I'm not sure how much it's cooked so fast, but here it goes. There we go, it's cooking away nicely. So it's better to cook it slow, so it'll cook in the middle and it won't burn on the outside. It's nearly done now, so really looking forward to this. So a few taps, and if it sounds hollow, it should be done. I'm just going to put the fire out now. So now what I'm doing is I'm going to put some bit of sugar. And then some cinnamon. Look at that. So there we go. That is really good. So I would definitely make these again, and I would definitely recommend you guys to go out in the outdoors and make these. It's quick and easy, you don't need much ingredients at all, they're tasty and they fill you up. Thanks for watching the video guys, I really hope you enjoyed it, and see you next time.